Hello, Lori here on Vancouver Island, and I would like to take a minute just to welcome you into my home today. As you know, if you've been coming here for a while, I live here on Vancouver Island with my husband Dave and my mom Sharon, and I like to do lots of stuff. And today I am in the studio, and remember this hideous thing that I poured paint on a couple weeks ago? Well, it's fully set now and hideously ugly, and I'm going to re-pour it today because I want to get it out in my garden. I think it will look beautiful out in my garden. So anyway, what I've done, and this was suggested by Gay over at Popular Pouring Fluid Art, and I'll leave a link for her. Oh, look at my light shining in my glasses. Sorry about that. Anyway, yeah, so she suggested that I put bubble wrap in here. You might remember that I talked about poking holes in here, but then I'm stuck with holes in here, right? And I don't really want there to be holes in there. So, yeah, she suggested that I put some bubble wrap there, and I've just taped it on, and that gives me a little bit more of a level playing field here, and so I'm hoping that my paint will flow off instead of pooling up in this little thing here. So anyway, the colors that I'm going to use, I've got some blues and some purples and some greens and some pink, and that's what I'm going to use. So the mostly it's dioxazine purple and a Crayola purple. And then I've got a variety of greens that have just kind of been mixed up by myself at various different times. I've got a sky blue, a Prussian blue, and then if you remember way back when I was mixing my own pigments, which I still have, and I'm going to have to start mixing more. Look how dirty that is. I'm such a neatnik. Anyway, this is a blue ultramarine pigment paint that I mixed up myself. And so, yeah, it's almost gone. But so I'm going to just use this variety of blues and pinks. And I'm just going to let this flow down into hopefully something beautiful. So, guys, I want to thank you so much for coming in today. It really does mean the world to me. I am just over the moon. Excited to have you all here. Anyway, I am going to flip it around to the other camera and get you pointed at my workstation, and I'm going to go change into something that I can paint in, and then I'll be back and we are going to pour some paint. I must say that I was not liking the way that that thicker paint was dripping at all. Now, I thought that I should use a thicker paint on my 3D pours because I've had problems in the past with my paint being too runny and it all running together. But that was just a mess. But I love what happened when I ran my finger down the side of it. I think that just looks stunning. And I see I've got a few spots where my orange is coming through from underneath, but I really don't think that's a problem now that the other colors are so vibrant. So please, please, please let me know what you think of this. I'll probably paint the top here. I'll probably do it purple. You know, purple's my favorite color. Purple or green, one or the other. But anyway, isn't that just stunning? I can't wait to see it finished with, I might even resin it before I put it out. Probably not. It's just going to go outside in my garden. So I probably won't bother to resin it, but I will finish it with something that will make it last at least a couple of seasons and make it waterproof and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching today. I really do have a lot of fun with this paint. And really, if you're looking for a hobby that just lets you be creative, this is it, man. Because you can just make a mess and it can turn into something stunning. You just have to play with it a little bit. And you get to get your hands dirty. It's finger painting for grown-ups. So, I love it. Anyway, if you haven't already, please do subscribe. And I will see you next time. Take care of yourselves. Much love.